Hey guys, it's Little Alien X, and today we're playing American Truck Simulator. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. I cannot talk right now. Oops. Today we're going to Coos Bay, Oregon from Newport, Oregon. Minutes, but I'm not going to. I'm actually going to avoid it. I'm going to get a ticket, and I'm going to probably fall asleep driving. But I'm doing it because so he can. So I can have a normal so when I'm recording and stuff, I can sleep during the night. Because right now, if I go to sleep, he'll wake up. I'll get up at 8 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night, something like that. Only 15,500 pounds. Hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. Had a good time. Had a good week at work or whatnot. School. This is the construction house. Didn't realize there was a stop sign here. But I hope you guys are enjoying the day, like I said. Don't forget to follow my Instagram for updates about streams and all of that. I will be streaming probably later on today, probably the rest of the day after I'm done recording. Today will be Diablo 3, I believe. But we shall see. You guys heard that? I forgot to mute my phone. Sorry about that. But it should be pretty good on the stream. My Instagram is little_alien_x12. At IG, obviously. But it's going to be a pretty quick run. I might do another one after this. I don't know if I will though. But we're just exploring Oregon right now. We'll get down to California and Nevada and all that. I will be owning my own trailer at some point. Only reason I haven't done it yet because there's a certain trailer I want to get and I haven't unlocked it. That message is going to keep popping up. I'm probably going to fall asleep at some point. Hopefully I don't wreck my truck. Because I'm just, yeah, because like every time I sleep, I normally sleep before I record. It's just, I didn't do it this time because like I said, I wanted them to have a normal sleeping schedule, quote unquote, I guess. Drive during the day more than at night, because all of my last couple videos have been more at night than during the day. And since this run is so short, I was like, it should be okay to do this one real quick. But in real life, you should never drive while you're tired or sleeping. Always pull over and get some sleep. So, but this is also obviously a video game, so it's a little different. So I can do whatever I want if I wanted to. I thought that was oh, there's a cop behind me. I thought that was for speeding for a second. I'm gonna see at the end of this run. I'm also gonna see how much I own at loan. So maybe I'll pay it off at the end of this run. Maybe not. We'll see. The one thing I wish with the loans though, you didn't have to pay all of it off. Like you could do one lump sum, not one lump sum, but like do like 10 grand of pay in portions, bigger portions than what they take out. Like be able to click on it and be like, oh, I want to pay 10,000 right now, and then save up some more money, pay another like 5 grand or whatnot. Wish you could do that. And there might be a mod for that. I'm not sure. So if there is, when you guys let me know in the comments below. Trying to grab my other Swift. Why is it not working? For whatever reason, my Split didn't want to split down to 5 low. So I'm not real talkative today. I'm just focused on driving right now. I'm not even sure how much this job is even worth. It was only 2,000. For some reason, I thought it was more than that. That's fine. Only 30 miles to go. And then we'll see. We'll see how much we're gonna make. Well, I know how much we're gonna make, but I meant like how much we're gonna have, and then how much the loan is and stuff like that. We're probably gonna lose. We're actually gonna lose money on this one just because I already got $1,500 for not taking off because of not sleeping, and then I just got a speeding ticket. So. Train tracks. I would like to haul some like tankers and stuff. I wish there was ownables for tankers. I think there's a mod for that too, but I don't like using some. There is a mod I have. Like I have a low boy mod for a trailer to own, ownable trailers. But you get so much money from those, and I don't know how like, I don't know if the money is broken on it. But like I've owned it before where I've got like there was one run I was doing, and I would have got like 32,000, but I was only going like not even 200 miles. So we'll see. Show you a little bit more outside before we dropped off the trailer. Looks like I'm gonna go right up here. I know I'm over revving. I'm not meaning to, it's just like, I just end up looking down and I'm like, oh snap. Now I want to shift into another gear and then have to stop again, so. Oh, there's a lot of trucks up here. We're almost coming to the end of the run. We're just basically right around the corner from it. Getting ready to see if we can pay off this loan or not. I don't think we are. I don't think we're able to yet. I think it's still 90-something thousand. Let's pull it out 100 to get this truck. Oh, he fell asleep. Good thing we're out of light, huh? get some from them. I wish it was a rest stop over here. You think there would be? Where's... I should went the other way. I'm not back it into if I can just go straight through. Show you a little bit more outside. So, ooh, I might pick up those. You know what? Does it want me to face the other way? Yeah, I'm not going back around, so we're just gonna skip it. And we leveled up. Get some of that done. I'm not going back to Newport, so. Well, looks like we're not going to go to Sacramento either, just because there's a lot more time on that. There's not much time on it, and I'm actually going to get some rest. So, whoops. We're going to go to sleep. And then probably after he goes to sleep, we'll check the loan stuff, and then after that, we will probably end the episode there. Skipping gears just because there's no trailer. You could skip gears. I could have skipped gears actually on the last trailer I had. It was so light. Yeah, I know, you keep falling asleep, man. So at this point, I'll probably be at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning when the next run, which is not bad, because that way it will run through the morning. And then basically go to bed around 3 every single day. Or rest. I'm actually gonna speed down there. Nice. I guess that's what I get for speeding, huh? Oh, I forgot I was on high. This video is a little longer than I thought it was going to be, but that's fine. Overriding, I know. All right, let's get some rest. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, cool. Let's go see how much this loan we have left to pay. Yeah, 92,000. Okay, we're almost there. But I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the trailer I want to get. Don't think I'm gonna be able to, because I don't think I have it unlocked yet. That's pretty cool. But I don't have it unlocked yet, so I can't show you guys. Yeah. I'll probably play this off camera on an, every now and then. Not right now, but so I can get more of the trailer stuff. So it doesn't take as long. But thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a good day.